This is the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. And no, you're not seeing things. Xiaomi is back, not just with a new flagship, but with a challenge. They're asking one question. What if a smartphone could actually do things a premium phone should do, but doesn't? This phone has two huge talking points. First, a magic back display tucked right into the camera bump. Second, it has the battery life of a tablet, a massive 7500 mAh cell. Is this a game changer or just a beautiful monster? Let's find out. Xiaomi has expanded its flagship lineup with the launch of the 17 series. It's the largest device in the series and introduces several hardware firsts for the company. The Pro Max model is built around a 6.9-inch LTPO AMOLED display that reaches 3,500 nits of peak brightness and supports a 120 Hz refresh rate. Protection comes from the company's third-generation Dragon Crystal glass, which is claimed to offer stronger drop resistance. A 2.9-inch AMOLED secondary screen is also integrated into the camera module, giving users quick access to notifications, always-on information, or framing for selfies. Inside, the 17 Pro Max is powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, paired with a redesigned heatsink to handle sustained workloads. Storage options scale up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of internal storage. Battery life is one of the headline features. The device carries a 7,500 mAh unit that uses a high-silicon design to maximize capacity without making the phone too bulky. It supports 100 watts wired charging and 50 watts wireless charging. Xiaomi says this setup gives it an edge over rival large-screen flagships, including Apple's iPhone 17 Pro Max. For cameras, Xiaomi continues its collaboration with Leica. The triple camera system consists of a 50-megapixel Lighthunter 950L main sensor, 1.28, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 5x periscope telephoto, a 50-megapixel front-facing selfie camera. The company highlights improved performance in dynamic range and low-light situations. It runs on Android 16 with Xiaomi's Hyper OS 3. The phone has an IP68 dust and water resistance rating. If you want a phone that directly challenges the status quo and delivers raw hardware power like no other, the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max is the answer. Let me know what you think in the comments. Is the 7,500 mAh battery enough to convince you? Like and subscribe for more tech deep dives. Peace out.